So yeah, hello everybody. Today I'll be guiding you on how you can do email forwarding from one email address to another. So if I tell a person that have multiple email addresses and then you are not really able to track all the email on all those email addresses, so it is better that okay, the particular email, most important email on those email addresses, you forward them to one particular email that you are really active on, that is the email you are most using. So I'll be guiding you through the whole process. It's very simple, just follow me. So this is the email address that I'll be forwarding to my main email address. So what I want to happen is that anytime I got an email that is related to Fiverr, so I want it to forward it to the main email that is on my mobile phone that I'm most active on it. So now this process is simple. This is setting icon here, click on it. So click on all settings. So the first thing you want to do is okay, come to forwarding and POP. So now what come here, click on copy forwarding. So now here, select the forwarding. So because me, I have added an email here already that I want this email to forward to. That's the reason why it's there. If you haven't, just go ahead and add one. So if you want to add email address, just come to this place, add forwarding, and then put the email. That's your primary email. So uh, Rolands. So I have add the email here. So I next. So you can see, yeah, I don't want to follow this process. It can be stressful somehow. So what I just want to do is that I want to verify in another way. So I will use this. Use your phone or tablet to get code. Even so, just use this. I'll use my phone number instead. So let me put my country code. So yeah, I want to get the code on my mobile phone. So they will send they sent an email, a code to me on my main on my mobile number. So I'll copy the number now. That is 285605. So we next. Can you see you already have the forwarding address? So because this has been added, if you haven't added, so it's going to do. So I believe you get that. So now let's move on. So now you can also forward only some of your mail. If you don't want to forward all your email addresses to the um, to your email, just come here and filter. But if you want to forward everything, just come here and save. Click on save, and then everything will start working like magic. So if you want to forward some selected email, maybe email coming from one particular email addresses or a particular keyword. Now maybe you want to get email coming from maybe like this part abc at gmail.com, then only the email you'll be receiving is what is abc at gmail.com. If you want to, like, you can also add multiple, as you can see, it has been separated comma. So if you want, if you want a particular subject line, also add it here. If you want a particular word, you can add the word. But me, I would prefer to use the particular word. I want to use Fiverr. So anytime Fiverr send me an email, maybe I have a new message, I have a new order, or maybe any notification from Fiverr, so I will surely get it on my main email. So after that, I come here and I create filter. Your changes have not been made. Okay, so after that, what do you want to happen? Forward to, so forward here. If you want to apply label, you can apply label. If you don't want to apply, I don't need to apply label, so I have add forwarding email. So I will just do that. I will do that. So and then here I will create filter. Filter has been created. So and then it has been saved. So anytime I get a new email from Fiverr, so it's going to be forwarding it straight to my main email, which is this particular email, olam6134@gmail.com. So now, before I round up, I will test this particular email. I will test this email. So now let me do that. I will use an email from my phone. Now let me just use email my PC so that you can see the process. So that you can see the process. Let me just come here. Okay, which email is it? Let me use this. Let me use this email. So now I'm using this email to message cake. Oh, this is taking time. Okay, so now what is the two user? Let me see. Okay, that is cake, K-E. So subject line. So now if you key hello, anything. So the title. Let me just say new message. From Fiverr. So I will send this email out just like that. So the email I will send. So let's say this. Can you see hello, new message from Fiverr? So the same thing will also happen on the email we forward our forwarding email address. So here is my forwarding email address. So let me see this. Here is my forwarding email address. Can you see? So that is to cake. That is this is the main email that the email was sent to, but was forwarded to where? To my own email. So on this note, I believe we learned something new today. And then if you like my video, make sure you follow my channel, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So before I leave, let me show you something so you won't be convinced. So Jimmy wants to make sure you are safe. Jimmy wants to ensure that you are safe. After you have successfully do the email forwarding, they will brought a warning. So you will see a warning. Oh, okay, can you see? Your filter are forwarding some of your emails to Olam6134. This notice will end in 7 days. So this is not, it doesn't mean that your forwarding will end in 7 days, but this notice, this notification here will be here for next 7 days so that you can know that okay, oh, someone under email is receiving your the email you are receiving. So just for security conscious, that is the main reason for that. Thank you. It's just 10 minutes. Bye.